So I was reading about how knowledge spreads in networks, and it blew my mind. Did you know that some ideas can take off like wildfire?
Right? It's crazy. I mean, it's like when a meme goes viral, one person shares, and suddenly everyone is in on the joke.
Exactly. But what's wild is that it's often not the best ideas that spread fastest. It's the ones that resonate emotionally.
Oh, for sure. It's like that saying people remember how you made them feel, not just the facts. Have you heard about the emotional contagion theory?
Yes, that's the notion that emotions can spread just like a virus. It makes me think about how we share stories.
Definitely. And here's where it gets really interesting. The more intense the emotion, the more likely it is to catch on.
Wait, so if I shared something that made me really angry, it would spread faster than something that's just mildly interesting?
Exactly. People are wired to respond to strong emotions. It gets them engaged and wanting to talk about it.
That's fascinating. So it's like those feel-good news stories can also make a huge impact just by the emotions they evoke.
Right, but can you imagine the implications? Think about how misinformation spreads. It often plays on fear or outrage.
Oh, wow, that changes everything. It's like we need to be more aware of what we're sharing, right?
Totally. It's a responsibility we have. Now imagine if we could harness that emotional power for good.
Wait, hold on. Are you suggesting we could create a wave of positivity that spreads through social media?
Yes, think of campaigns focusing on kindness or social action. They could have a ripple effect through communities.
That gives me chills. It makes me think of how one small act of kindness could inspire others.
Exactly. It's like the butterfly effect, where small changes can lead to significant outcomes.
Speaking of the butterfly effect, I just read about how small environmental changes can shift entire ecosystems.
Oh, wow. Are you saying that the tiniest shift in one part of an ecosystem can affect everything?
Yes, like if one species declines, it can lead to unexpected consequences for the whole food chain.
That's wild. So if we think of knowledge and ecosystems, it's all interconnected.
Exactly, and this idea of interconnectedness can apply to everything: social relationships, ideas, even industries.
Right. And it underscores the importance of seeing the bigger picture in everything we do, doesn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, it's like when organizations collaborate, each brings something unique, amplifying the impact.
Oh, totally. It's like teamwork in sports. Individual strengths create a stronger team dynamic.
Yes, it's that synergy that can lead to innovation, but it also reminds me of collaboration challenges.
Great point. I mean, think about differing visions or goals. Those can create friction.
Right? Sometimes it feels like you're pulling in different directions. How do you reconcile that?
I think it's about communication and finding common ground, like a shared mission.
Oh, that makes sense. And this brings us back to emotional resonance. People rally around shared values.
Exactly. So it's really about tapping into those emotions to drive collective action.
This is blowing my mind. I never thought about it this way. Connectivity, ideas, emotions, all intertwined.
And the implications extend to society as a whole. We can influence culture through our networks.
So what can we do to ensure the right messages catch on? It's like being conscious media creators.
Yes, we can start by promoting messages that are not only informative, but inspire positive emotions.
This is such a good example of how our actions matter. It feels empowering, don't you think?
For sure, and it leaves us pondering, what change do we want to create in our circles?
Exactly. So let's think about how we can inspire others. It's a ripple effect just waiting to happen.
Right. And the influence we have might just be more powerful than we realize.
Totally. I guess the key takeaway is that we have agency in shaping ideas and emotions.
Yes, and that understanding might just motivate us to be more intentional in our interactions.
Wow, this has been such a mind-expanding conversation. I'm excited to see where this idea of connectivity takes us.
Absolutely. Who knows what waves we can create if we start with meaningful communication?